Hello and welcome to English with Rudy. Today we are going to learn how to use the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense can be confusing to use, and that's why in this lesson I will try to explain the present perfect tense in the simplest way possible. To understand the present perfect tense, firstly, let's look at this sentence. I have eaten lunch. This sentence, obviously, it's in the present perfect tense. And in this sentence, we can see we have used the auxiliary verb have, and we have also used a verb which is in the past participle form. So to construct a sentence in the present perfect tense, we must use the auxiliary verbs have and has and a past participle form. Let's quickly take a look at how to use have and has. So I can use have with subjects such as I, we, you, they, and plural subjects. And I can use has with third person singular subjects such as he, she, it, and so on. Now let's see what is this past participle form. So the past participle form is the third form of the verb. So verbs have the base form, the past form, and the past participle form. Alright, so now that we know how to use have and has, and we know what is a past participle form, let's see how we can use the present perfect tense. I will use 6 examples to explain the present perfect tense. I have finished my work. The plane has landed. I have been to Japan. Anna has climbed Mount Everest. I have lived in Shillong for 25 years. Daniel has worked in this company since 2012. The first 2 sentences talk about recently completed actions. So if I say, I have finished my work, it means that I completed it recently or 5 minutes ago. And if I say the plane has landed, it possibly means that it landed a few minutes ago. The next 2 sentences, I have been to Japan and Anna has climbed Mount Everest, they talk about life experiences. So if you want to talk about something we have done in our life, we can use the present perfect tense. Lastly, if I say I have lived in Shillong for 25 years, Daniel has worked in this company since 2012, these 2 sentences express duration. It means that if I ask, how long have you lived in Shillong? My answer would be, I have lived in Shillong for 25 years. Or if I ask, how long has Daniel worked in this company? Then my answer would be, Daniel has worked in this company since 2012. As you can see in these last 2 examples, I have used for and since. I will explain how to use for and since in the present perfect tense in my next video. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel to get updates on new videos. So remember, the present perfect tense can be used to talk about recently completed actions, to talk about life experience, and to also talk about duration. Now it's your turn. Make some sentences in the present perfect tense and leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.